G'day everyone, you're watching Chasing Fish, and today I'll be quickly running through some of the gear that I'll be taking with me over the weekend to Bemm River, chasing some bream and possibly a first ever EP for me, so that'll be pretty awesome if I can. I'll start with the reels. I'm taking 4 reels, all Daiwa, because I don't know, just Daiwa. First one, Saltus 2500. It's a nice little reel. Got that with some, I think it's 10-pound line on it. Legalis LT 2500 also. That's got 12-pound sunline on it. Comes out a treat. Airdex has got J-braid on it. I think it's 12-pound maybe. I don't know. It's around that area. And that's me baitcaster, which I probably won't be using. For leaders, I'll use probably mainly the Black Magic 4-pound, and that's more of a backup one if I really need to go 6-pound for whatever. And I'll use these trebles mainly on the double clutches, as their trebles aren't the best. These clips, amazing, love them. Easy to unclip and clip. Some sub grubs from Hurricane, 2 1/4 inch. Some Z-Man grubs and Slim Swims. Midnight Oil, the new colour, has come out and looks pretty good, so I'll give them a crack. And them 2 grubs are some Midnight Oil as well, and just an original motor oil. Double clutches, I've got a few. Probably try this one first, which is the Laser Perch 60mm. Try that one and see how they go on that. If not, I'll go to whatever else for a backup. And always got other backups, of course, such as OSP bent minnows if they're up and about in the warmer shallows, and cranker crabs, they're always good. A couple of vibes. Other than that, that's it. What rods I use the Atomic Arrows Bream crank 7-foot. That's a 1-piece, so that's nice. That's actually my favourite rod at the moment, as it's the lightest thing in the world and casts like a gem. That one there is just an Airdex rod to match my reel, and the Gamoku goes with my Saltus, so you probably won't see me with much of that either, because it's just a heavier rod. So I'll probably mainly be using those 2 with that. Other than that, let's hope we can get some bream. Hopefully an EP if we're lucky. But other than that, yeah, hope you just enjoyed the video. Thanks guys. Alright guys, I'm out here. Waited a couple of hours before coming out because it was a bit choppy earlier, but finally got out. It's still a little bit windy, but it's not too bad. So at the moment I've got the double clutch on, Black Sniper, fishing in the shallows just for a little fish this afternoon. Hoping to get one. Oh, finally got a fish. It is a nice fish. Oh my god, that is huge. Yeah. All that waiting for nothing finally paid off. Check this out. Now that's a bream. That is a bream. That was caught on a little Strike Pro vibe in black. Well, pretty much black, I think. Alright, I'll de-hook this fish and show you again and see how it goes. Huge, 39 centimetres of bream. That is amazing. fish, good fish. You beauty. Bring harder than the big one. Check it out. Number 2. Nice little rip. Nice little 30cm. And off he goes. Yo! Alright, it's about 5:30, 6 o'clock in the morning. Putting in. Looking amazing. Check it out. Gonna try with some OSP bent minnows for surface action this morning as it's so flat. See if we can do some damage. Alright, we'll put it out there. Here it is. And I just seen a boil over there. Yes! Got one on the bent minnow. Oh, Jesus. Where is he? Oh my god, it's a flatty. It's a good flatty. Wow, wasn't expecting that. Look at that. That's nice. That's wow. Really wasn't expecting that. Spin around that. Surface flatty. Come on, mate. Good flatty. Wow. Well, I can't say I was expecting that. A nice big flatty. Very nice. Alright, I'll de-hook him and get him drawn back in the water. Alrighty, so the big girl measured up to be 62cm. Nice big flatty. Ah, that was a huge run. Damn. Bugger. Big Bream too.